Hi everyone, I'm Sanika Jagoshte, the founder and CEO of Maintenance, and I am presenting to you a solution to the masks that we are using right now, the N95 and the surgical masks. In the year 2020, we were bound to wear these masks 24/7. In post-lockdown, we as students had to go out to complete our graduation project, and we had to wear these masks for 15 hours a day. This was causing a huge problem on our skin. It was highly uncomfortable, causing problems in breathability, and at the same time causing a huge environmental hazard. In the year 2020 alone, 1.6 billion masks are lying around there, faced it. And it's going to take 4.50 billion years for it to degrade. Moving on to the problems in the skin, well, they are countless. From skin irritation to flaring up of acne, dry skin, greasy skin, you name it, and it's there, lying to you on a plate. The fabric mask, the surgical mask, and the N95 mask we are using right now are giving us all these problems. And I'm talking about the waste, it generates about 4,640 million waste each week alone in India. Moving on to US, where around 1070 million waste of these masks is lying around. So we wanted to come up with a big solution to this problem. So we came up with three stellar fabrics which we like to call masks from nature. So we made masks out of these fabrics, and these fabrics are made from peels of orange, peels of banana, and peels of aloe vera. So we have three different fabrics. One is made from the orange peel fabric, which has vitamin C benefits to your skin. It's enriched with essential oils, clears up acne, clears up blemishes, clears each and every problem on your skin caused by the masks. Second is the banana peel fabric. This has UV protection to it, and again is extremely soft on the skin, enriched with vitamins as well, highly breathable, and provides triple layer protection. And the third is aloe vera peel fabric mask, and this mask is absolutely cooling to your skin, providing you the soothing effect that you need when you're out and about in the sun, running around for your work. So we also added a few design aesthetics to our designs of masks and made it look a little prettier for the audience. And we didn't want them to be a regular mask or a normal mask that you buy off the market. We wanted them to be slightly appealing and at the same time giving you the benefits that you need. They are also naturally dyed, so there is no use of synthetic dyes as well. It's all the This mask is completely natural, and we have also received great feedback from many of our customers so far. And it has triple layer protection, skin benefits, and it's a great value for money. Moving on to the target audience, so we aim to target women mainly from age group 25 to 55 years of age from the tier 1 and tier 2 cities of India as of now, who have sensitive skin and want to do something for the environment and start today. It's aesthetically pleasing, and we target a middle class and a higher middle class income group. Eventually we would like to target global markets. So far we have sold around 56 masks, generating a 30% profit. And in the year 2022 we would like to target and expand our marketing strategy and put our masks out there, the brand out there, through social media marketing and through Amazon, Myntra, Shopify. Eventually we plan on partnering with luxury brands to sell our organic fabric as well on a B2B collaboration basis. Moreover, target the global market, which falls around the European market, because we plan on marketing with luxury brands which are moreover stated there. And we want to expand it diagonally through making more products out of this fabric and get the future of eco textiles out there. Compared to our competitors, we are doing well because we are environmentally friendly. Our masks are reusable up to 4 months. They are comfortable, breathable, stylish, and skincare, and provide skincare which none of the masks are able to provide so far efficiently. And it's comparatively cheaper because there is one brand in India itself which does give you skincare, but it is expensive. Moving on to the social purpose and sustainability, well, our entire plan is based on sustainability. Our entire business only aims moreover to give back to the environment, and at the same time we have procured a fabric from the tribal women of Himachal, and we have collaborated with them, so giving them employment opportunities, and we would like to continue to collaborate with them in the future. And our fabrics are certified from the Eco Council. We have the GOT certification as well. Moving on to our team, so my team back in India is my teammate Snigdha Garg, who has been my social media manager, my advisor, and our Canadian team members Anika and Sonam have helped us a lot. So have our mentors who have guided us throughout the pitch and throughout the business plan this week. So the winning money, we would like to invest in the marketing strategy and the marketing channels, and hire creative talent, and keep on employing and outsourcing low-income group, people from the low-income group, and collaborating with them on a larger level. Thank you so much for joining this quest towards sustainability, and you can reach out to us on Instagram and through the email. Thank you so much.